What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a new song from BON IVER, and the song name is something like AUATC. I better not spell that, not even pronounce that. Never mind, for the song we don't have any K-pop standard tuning. Let's quickly dive into the structure. We'll start off with intro, verse, chorus, That's it for the song. So that's it for the song, and we just have two parts to learn, the verse and the chorus. So let's hop into it, but before that, just have a look at the chords. And first things I just want to say is make sure you just hit that subscribe button, because I just want to reach 2,000 subscribers as fast as possible. And I'm actually working super hard this month, because I think most chances they things may be a lot better in the next month, so therefore I will not get a lot of time. I'm actually spending my time at home right now, so I'm able to provide you with so many guitar tutorials. But that time maybe I'll not be able to provide you with such many. But if I'm providing you now with 6 songs, at that time maybe with 3 or 2. But definitely they will be better than now, better than the last time. Never mind. Have a look at the chords. A minor is the first chord, mute, open, second, first, open. You can always pause the video, have a look at the chord shapes. G major, 3 2 open, open 3. C major, mute 3 2 0 1 0. D major, mute open second, second. D minor, mute open second, first. You can play it like this. It doesn't matter, same thing after all. E minor 0 2 2 0 0 0. F major 1 3 3 2 1 1. Play it like this. Struggling a lot with the bar chords. Drop me a comment down below, and I will actually provide you with one of my video which actually shows you how to master the bar chord. Let's have a look at this verse. So let's have a look at the intro / verse. So basically for the intro we just have one chord which actually goes in the verse a lot, and also for the whole song, and it's basically a A and a G. So for the intro, you just have 2 chords, A minor and the G. So we got, and you're just going to do 2 downstroke, 1 downstroke on each chord. Play that 2 times, and that will be enough for the intro. So I do down, keep my hand on the string to get the sound of the chord muted. Do the same thing for the G major chord. Let's go. Last time, and you're done for the intro. Now you move on to the verse. The verse is a lot similar, but this one is just a bit different. So for the verse, the chord progression is a little bit confusing also. So we start off playing an A minor, but we play an A minor, then a G/B, which is basically a passing chord, and therefore I don't want to focus on this shape a lot. It's not a lot, which is basically mute, then second fret on the A string, then open, then third fret on the high E string. And this pinky is on just like a big option. You can just avoid that also if you want. You can just hit the bass note. So we got A minor, then a /G/B, then a C. And the count actually starts from the 3rd beat. So we got 1 2 1 2 3. For then you want to move on to the next chord, which will be a E minor, then a B minor. But this one is again followed by another bass note, which will be a F sharp. So we'll play 1 2. So I hope you got it. So let's play from the beginning. A minor 1. So the count goes like this. Just see what I'm doing. And on the string pattern, I'm doing 1 down on each chord, and after that I just keep my hand on the string to get the sound of the music. So if you have any problem regarding the string pattern, feel free to drop me a comment down below. So we got down mute, down mute, down mute, down mute, down mute, down mute. And that's basically most of the stuff going in the whole song. Now see how the count goes. We start off on the 3rd beat. So we got onto the intro goes on, and after that he starts singing the lyrics, and then you go 1 2 3 4. So we got 1 2 1 2, and the next time they do the exact same thing, E minor, then F sharp, but instead of that playing that B minor, we play a D major right now. That's it. So yeah. So we play that D major chord. So we got, and repeat that whole section twice. So we got, in case you're wondering, I actually forgot to tell you the B minor chord. It's a second fret bar with the index finger, then I have my middle finger on the third fret of the B string, and I got this ring and my pinky on the fourth fret of the D and G string, and that's what basically B minor is, mu 2 4 4 3 2. So that's it. So we got 1 1 2. After playing that 2 times, we have this line. We play a F, then a C, then a G, and then you go to the chorus. So it's like one downstroke, ba, 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 and on the G you just let that ring and you enter the chorus. So you got 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, and that's how it goes. So for the verse, one more time. Sorry, F, C, G. This sounds actually a lot like what the song? Forgot the name. Sweet Home Alabama. Doesn't matter. And now we're just gonna move on to the chorus. And for the chorus, the chord progression is again a big chord progression, but it's definitely similar to that verse chord progression, a lot similar. So let's get started. We start off playing a D major chord, then a C, then a G, then a D major, then a C major, then a G major, then a E minor, then a D minor, then the G major, then the C. And after that we have another thing, I'm just going to tell you that. So over here, just hear what I'm telling you right now. That main part we have for the song, what the heck I'm saying? You see there are some chord, like the D, I think, the D chord, having asterisk. So it means there's something special about that, and the specialty about that chord is it goes for one entire bar, unlike the others. So let's have a look at the string pattern, and then it will be more clear for you guys. So only for that D major chord with the asterisk, which you can see on the screen, the string pattern will be down, down, up, up, down. Nice, slow, simple, easy. And for the rest of the chord, we just got trying to break the string pattern into down, down, up, up, down. So over here, doesn't matter what the chord is. See, I start with a D major, there's an asterisk, so down, down, up, up, down. Then you see the C major and the G major. So on the C, you're just gonna do 2 downstroke, and on the G, you will do up, up, down, which means we're actually breaking the string pattern indeed. So we got down, down, up, up, down. Again, you see the D major with the asterisk. So therefore, you're just gonna play the whole bar and down, down, up, up, down. Same goes for the next 2 pair of chords, which means the E minor, D minor, and the G and the C. So therefore, we'll play E minor, down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, up, down. And that's pretty much everything for the chorus. Now, after playing that, we have this line of the verse which goes on. And this just goes on. For the first chorus, it's a little bit short. Like this just goes once. But for the second chorus, it goes for a more longer time, which means you're just gonna play that till the end of the song, and you're just gonna use that variation after playing the B minor. You're just gonna play the D major. So you got down, C. Do the exact same you did for the verse. And that's how you just gonna go in a loop and just go on. But the main thing is you just make sure that you play this. It's very important. Now let me play the first 3 line or 4 line of the chord, where I just want to show you the string pattern, down, down, up, up, down. So start with the D major of the chorus, up, up, down, C major, down, down, G major, up, down. Repeat the chord progression. We have another time. C major, G major, comes down, down, E minor, D minor, up, down, G major, down, up, down. Now without me talking, it will sound something like this. And that's basically everything you need for the song, guys. So make sure to drop me one of these. If I went a bit fast, drop a comment down below and I will there to help you out. And I'll see you guys back in the next video. Hit that bell icon. I'll see you guys back.